Welcome to BW tutorials. Before going to the subject, let us see introduction. Let us see few terminology which are frequently used in this subject that are current, voltage, and power. To understand this, let us consider a small example. Consider a tank, water tank, and pipe, a tap, and bucket. Let us consider this tank as a transformer. Transformer. The water droplets in this tank is nothing but charge or electrons. Now this flow of water is nothing but a flow of electrons or charge is known as current. Now this is output. Output is power, which is formed as voltage into current. Simply V cross I equals to P. Here the speed of water with some speed, and after the pipe the speed of water with another speed. Now here there is a generation of difference in force or pressure of water. In electrical known as potential difference. Potential difference is nothing but voltage. Now here the tap which opposes the flow of water and allows it to required level. Now in electrical this tap act as a resistor. Now let us see the units of current, voltage and power. Units. Units of current is ampere. Voltage simply watts, and power watts. What is circuit? Circuit is nothing but a closed path to flow of electrons from source like voltage source or current source to different part of the circuit. The elements in the circuit may arrange in series or parallel or combination of both is known as circuit. Let us see what are active elements and passive elements. Let us say active elements. Active elements is nothing but capable of delivering the power to the circuit is known as active elements. Example voltage source and current source. Current source What is passive elements? Let us see. Passive elements is nothing but capable of absorbing the power and converts the power in terms of electric field and magnetic field. Example, resistor, inductor and capacitor.